Here you can find then the basic controls for the rules. First, to explain it, I will start with the M1000. I create a new rule for this profile. I select it and then I create a new rule. Here then we have two possibilities. We have an AND linked rule and an OR linked rule. The AND linked rule means that if this situation and this situation happens, then do something. And the OR linked rule means if this situation or the other situation happens, then do something. I will take OR linked rule anyway. We have only one situation for the M1000, it's the cross situation. So in fact this profile is really easy. We will take OR linked and then we say if this situation happens, so I have walls only 4 sides, then insert if condition is true, insert the profile. And then I will say copy rule and paste rule, so that the rule is the same for the beginning and for the end of the rule. So now we have created our first rule. Then we go on with the second profile. So the second profile is a little bit more complicated. What we need now is a new rule, and I will say if this situation or the other situation happens, then do something. The first situation is the end situation of the wall. I want to have the profile if this wall situation happens. But there is also another possibility, and for this we need the OR linked function. We say a new condition, and the next condition is this one. So in the middle of the wall I want also to have the profile, and then I have to say if this condition or this condition, or this condition is true, insert the profile. And the second action is the profile is new action. So the profile is in the wrong direction here. As you can see, it will insert it in this way. So to have it in the right way, I say insert the profile and rotate it around that z-axis to 90 degrees. Then also I copy the rule to the both sides. So copy rule and paste it. The second profile is ready now too. Okay, let's go to a more interesting part. Now the profile M1005 is a little bit funnier, a little bit trickier. I start with creating a new rule, and I set it to an OR link connection because we have different possibilities. The first possibility is this one. Then I want to have inserted the profile. Then I need a new rule, and this possibility is this one. And then last I have this possibility. Okay, now we have set the different possibilities, and we say if this condition or this condition or this condition is true, then insert the profile. Now we have to specify different situations, and we want to say what exactly the profile has to do when it's inserted. So we create a new rule and we say that's okay. We say in this situation do no action, because if I draw from left to the right, the profile is in the good way. It's okay. We have the red side here, like you can see, and the other sides are okay too. Then we have to create the next rule. The next rule says if this condition here is true, then sorry. So the third rule is if this condition is true, then rotate around z-axis to 90 degrees. So, and then the next rule is the last one. If this condition is true, yes, then rotate it also to 180 degrees. So in the first step we said when we want to have inserted the profile, then we specify in which situation we want to do what exactly. So first no action, then in the second situation we want to rotate it to 90 degrees and then to 180. So, and then we have to copy the rules and we have to insert them to the other side. Then the last one is the corner situation. We set a new rule. We want to say if this condition is true, then insert the profile and make a new action and rotate it around 0. I don't know why settings work in detail, but I found them and I made my plan before the video, so I show you how I found the solution. There's also to say there are many solutions to create the rules, so there is not only one way. The most thing of this function you will have to test and to try by try and error to see how it works, because the logic is that deep that can't preview all the details exactly. The best way is try it, test it, and step by step you will create your walks. Let's go on with the next rule. The next rule, I found this solution, and this says don't insert. I copy this rule, I insert it, and here I made something strange, I don't know why, but insert if condition is true and turn it to 180. And the last one, oh sorry, there is a bug here. So and then we have a don't insert. Okay, so I don't know, I found this solution and it works, so I didn't change it. Now let's look at the result. We insert it, we make our test wall, And as we can see, all profiles are in the right way. So how I said at the moment, there is not only one way. Try it, test it, take your time, and step by step you can automate your different walls. So now we're at the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much for looking, and see you next time in next tutorial. Okay, bye.